Welcome back to a new video guys. Today I'm going to tell you about how to off mono audio setting in geophone. Next guys, how can you off mono audio setting in geophone? So before starting video guys, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all friends, open your setting app and guys come on accessibility, and then after that come on mono audio setting guys. Mono audio, yes guys, mono audio. You can see that you want to off, so you can off, so guys your mono audio will off. So I think friends you have understood how to off mono audio setting in geophone next. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. Bye bye friends.